Well, hi, train friends. This is Bill B., and welcome to the Ozark Midland and Southern Railway. I do like manual switches because I enjoy moving along with my trains and throwing the switches as we go. However, even on a small railroad like the OM&S, there are places where a remote control switch can really be advantageous. In the track plan, you can see two switches together at the very back of the main table. They are together just left of center. Now I have long arms and can fairly easily reach the manual throws, but there are times when I am a little hurried to throw the switch, and doing so manually is just awkward. And perhaps more importantly, more than once I have almost knocked a car or a locomotive off the table as I withdrew my arm after throwing a switch. That will throw a chill up your spine. So while I wait for some ballast and soil to dry on another section of the railroad, I thought I would replace the two manual switches with these Lionel FasTrack remote control switches. So I guess I had better get busy. The first thing I did after removing the switches from their boxes was to flip them over and to take a photo of each, showing the wiring connections for the remote control cables. While the wiring is very straightforward, I have learned that it never hurts to take a few photos showing how something goes together in the event there is some confusion. Next, I used a piece of scrap plywood to fashion a backboard on which to attach the black plastic remote control switch boxes. As you can see, the attached switch boxes are located about 4 inches beneath the table top and are set back from the side edge. What I am doing now is showing how I ran the two cables underneath the layout to their respective switch locations. And here the cables are ready to be reconnected to the switches. I will note that in large part, because the OM&S only has 3 remote control switches, they are being powered using track power. The alternative would be to power them using an auxiliary power source. Once the connections were made, all that remained to be done was to put the track back together and test the switches. As you can see, the test was performed and both switches worked well. Now let's run a couple trains through them. With the last train passing by, it is time for me to give a special thank you to all the channel subscribers. We have some new subscribers as well, and I want to welcome them aboard the OM&S. Thank you all for watching. And until we meet again on the OM&S, you all do take care. This is Bill B. Bye now.